Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you a brand new 2023 Ford Transit Dropside long wheelbase. This one, as I mentioned, does only come with 240 miles on the clock. Just take you around the vehicle now. So if we look inside the interior, we do have 3 cloth lined seats pulled down the middle just here, table and cup holders. Down here as well, a further cup holder for the driver. 6-speed gearbox with a reverse gear as well. Air conditioning can be controlled just there, along with the radio above. Now, if we look at the back, these sides all do come down. I will just show you the back side, however. So using these latches just here, you can very simply open it up. Now, another good thing about these latches are, if you do want to feel the need to, you can put a padlock through them as well. And you can find out more about this vehicle on our website, anchorvans.co.uk.